Albi Benitez, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for trusting me, my team. And, you know, it has been 26 days. Kabalugi ka mo sa nga to, yung mga challenges. But I've seen you guys shine your own spotlight. So, gambagi ko, the success of one will be the success of all. Thank you, my thank you, and our gratitude will not suffice all your hard work and all your passion that you put into the table. So madamo giging salamat sa tanan. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. We may survive with few scratch and burns, but I know the memories, the core memories, the values, and the lessons that we learned for this year was enough to make you and your team and all of you become better individual, better events organizers in your own field. So madamo giging salamat and hope to see you next year. Thank you.
90 days.